My favorite thing about the marine bio program here is how hands-on things are right away and how your professors take advantage of how close we are to the ocean starting your first semester here.
My favorite thing about being a marine biology major here at UNH is the fact that we have beaches, estuaries, lakes, and rivers all in our backyard. It allows us to take what we learn in the classroom and apply it in real life.
If you're like me and you always imagined a career being involved with the ocean and the sea and marine life, then this is definitely the major for you. One of the things that I value the most about the MEFB major is how hands-on it is. It could be a freshwater river, it can be an estuary, it can be the seacoast, or it could be the Isle of Shoals. Students who are involved in this major are going to get exposure to all those habitats and master those environments. And we combine that with high-quality lecture as well as guest lectures from industry and related fields to bring together a really comprehensive package for our students. Another facet of the major that students find pretty appealing is how well it dovetails into our marine biology master's program here at UNH and how well tied it is to our School of Marine Sciences and Ocean Engineering. Having those opportunities nested into our course offerings provides a direct pathway for students to continue on to graduate degrees and real field experience in the areas of their interest. Our students don't hesitate to knock on a faculty member's door and get into their lab and start getting engaged in research. And our faculty at UNH in general have such an open door policy to promote undergraduate research. It's a perfect fit. With a campus that boasts 3 marine research laboratories, we've got unprecedented access to the water. The Jackson Estuarine Lab, we also have the Judd Gregg Marine Complex in Newcastle at the seacoast, and our island campus, Shoals Marine Laboratory. Located 8 miles offshore, it offers 15 to 20 summer courses that are intensive, field-oriented opportunities for students to really immerse themselves in the marine environment. In addition to the course offerings, which all contribute to your MEFB major requirements, Shoals Marine Lab also offers a number of really competitive internships that will allow our students to shine. Our curriculum prepares students well for careers in aquaculture, restoration ecology, resource management, education, as well as government policy, environmental protection, and a host of other exciting careers. Thanks so much for your interest in this program. I look forward to seeing you on campus soon.